when you send these kind of messages to her at night, she's gonna think about you all through the night, and she's gonna wake up in a far better mood, all because of you and these messages that you sent her. I'm Arica Angelo. Hit that subscribe button and let's dig right into it. One of the sweetest things that you can say to us women right before we're going to sleep is, when do I get to see you again? Because that's gonna get her excited about you. It's like, I've obviously made an impression on him because he wants to see me again. He wants to spend time with me. When you're able to get into our thoughts, especially going before bed, this actually sets you apart, because this is a time where everything's winding down. She's a little bit more focused. And when you hit her with that message in that moment, ninja moves right there, my man. Ninja moves. Now here's a cheating move, but before I give that to you, if you ever need help with what to say to a woman, I do have my texting method and my conversations with women Bible, because it's endless of the things that you can say to a woman to build that intimacy, to heighten that connection, to really build yourself up as being the superstar in her life. And I help you with that. It's in the comment section. It's in the description. So here's a little cheeky one, and you got to be fast about this, and you really need to be in charge. And you're going to say this to her: since I can't tuck you in, how about a quick goodnight call? And you just make it, you stick to your words. You just say, listen, I'm about to head to bed myself, but I just wanted to make sure you were tucked in well, you're all cozy, and you're prepared for some really good beauty sleep. Something super sweet on the call, and it's just like, wow. Because most guys don't do this. And here's the thing, you can't keep doing what every other guy is doing, because chances are it's not working for them, it's not gonna work for you. And here is another really cheeky thing that you can say, but it's so sweet. When you get us to see ourselves in a different light than the way we might normally see ourselves, and you make us feel like we're more special than we actually give ourselves credit for, oh my goodness, darling, you really become the guy that starts touching our heart. In fact, in the comment section, would you just write, touch her heart? Because, oh, if I can teach you guys how to touch women's heart, game over, world peace, everyone's making a lot more love, and the frequency is going really motherfucking high. So this is what you're gonna say to her, is this: I bet you're beautiful when you're asleep. And it's just like, she might be thinking to herself like, am I beautiful? I don't know. No one's ever told me that. I've never had a guy say if I'm beautiful or not. Yeah, when you start giving her a different lens of how she can see herself right before she goes to sleep, adios mio, you're staying in her head forever. Listen, it's these sweet little touches at the sweet right time that can really build connection, really build intimacy, and really get a woman to the point where she thinks about you always nonstop, when you know how to connect with her in these ways. So make sure you get the texting method, conversations with women Bible. And if you want to escalate things, I do have my 20 best sexual questions. I mean, maybe not send those in the evening. First build the connection, but then after the connection's built, then you can start asking her those questions. That's free. It's in the comment section, it's in the description. Listen guys, here's a video about how to actually never run out of things to say, because that is super important for you to be the leader. It's right here. I've got my videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. I can't wait to see you there.